One on, guys. Let's do a forecheck on his forehand, please. Forecheck his forehand. Good feet.
Okay.
Forecheck the forehand, boys. Here we go. Let's see if Ari's ready. Ari, you ready? Oh yeah, he's ready. Not much going on that way. All right, go to the middle, Russo.
Oh.
Let's face the puck, sir. Face the puck, John. All right, 1 minute. That's too far. No ice. They're running the... Good job, Jake. All right, heads up.